tried turmeric for its anti-aging benefits only to be disappointed? You're not alone. Many people find that turmeric falls short, often due to poor absorption in the body. But here's the good news. There's a way to boost turmeric's effectiveness and fully unlock its age-defying potential. Did you know that there are 53 different names and meanings for turmeric in the Sanskrit language? Some of the meanings include killer of fat, giving delight to heart, and one that wins over disease. The ancients also believed that if you use turmeric, you could experience prosperity and luck. It may even guarantee that you won't be offered as a sacrifice. Now, we have no evidence of the latter, but when it comes to your health, the proof is abundant that turmeric does your body good. In fact, modern science has shown that turmeric can affect more than 150 biochemical pathways and provide benefits to almost every part of the human body. A recent review of studies related to turmeric was published to the Journal of Herbal Medicine, Biomolecular and Clinical Aspects. The authors poured over 3,000 publications representing 25 years of turmeric research. They summarized the major activities of turmeric to include antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, antioxidant, antiseptic, cardioprotective, hepatoprotective, nephroprotective, radioprotective, and digestive activities. Now, if that is not a powerful healing food, I don't know what is. And who knows, it just might bring you luck and prosperity. But even if it doesn't, let's take a look at how it can help your body and why you should be using it daily. The use of turmeric dates back almost 4,000 years. It had been used as a food, a spice, medicine, and religious sacrament. It's from the ginger family of plants. It even looks identical on the outside. When you cut it open, you reveal its beautiful golden color brimming with potent polyphenols. It is a polyphenol known as curcumin that gives turmeric this color. It is also what drives most of these mighty health benefits. For example, turmeric scores an impressive 127,000 on the ORAC scale. The ORAC is the oxygen radical absorption capacity, measuring the strength of a food's ability to neutralize free radicals. Turmeric is the 6th highest. But could turmeric really kill fat, as the ancients proclaimed? It might seem strange, but the king of spices has shown great promise in fighting obesity. A recent review of current pharmacology reports explained that the role of epigenetics may have something to do with how turmeric can regulate human pathologies, including obesity. Turmeric seems to exert an influence not just on the health of the cell, but also on the DNA messages from within that cell. Another study conducted at the State University of New York suggests that it is the interaction of strong anti-inflammatory nature of turmeric on white adipose tissue that may explain how it could not just reduce obesity, but also the health effects of it. Now, I don't know about you, but adding turmeric to your diet seems like a tasty way to fight obesity. And if you're concerned with heart health, you'll also do well to include a daily dose of turmeric. In 2014 study from the Center of Cancer Prevention Research, found a strong influence by turmeric on cardiovascular complications, specifically in the diabetic population. A 6-month curcumin intervention in the type 2 diabetic population lowered the atherosclerotic risks. In addition, the extract helped to improve relevant metabolic profiles in this high-risk population. During their study, the researchers measured the effectiveness of curcumin on 6 heart disease parameters: arterial stiffness, inflammation markers, insulin resistance, triglyceride levels, uric acid levels, and abdominal obesity. The researchers discovered that turmeric improved all 6 of these healthy health markers. And now the win over disease. So a 9-month study conducted by the American Diabetes Association tested turmeric on subjects with prediabetes. What they found was that turmeric had a 100% success rate in preventing type 2 diabetes. A large review of turmeric studies showed that this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of turmeric, which covered the entire human body. Remember all those that I listed above. It's pretty much anti-everything and pro-health. So do your body a favor, and you can even bathe in this golden spice. Some people actually do bathe in it, but that might get a little messy for you. Yet daily turmeric consumption does mean you are bathing your cells in turmeric and curcumin all the time, getting those amazing health benefits. There are 2 rules to follow when using turmeric. Number 1, add black pepper. All research shows that turmeric is more bioavailable combined with pepper. This shouldn't be too hard. Just add pepper to your curry or any savory dish that contains turmeric. And typically a turmeric supplement will already contain this black pepper. I'll talk to you more about what is the ideal supplement. You want to also eat it with the healthy fat. Science shows that turmeric is more available when combined with fat. Spices are best when gently heated in a little oil so they release their aromas and medicinal properties. Here's some other simple and delicious ways to get turmeric health benefits in your everyday meals. Add a teaspoon to scrambled eggs or frittatas or quiches. Mix into free-range chicken or egg salad with some paleo mayo or creamy flavor to boost its bioavailability. Make an Indian spice dressing. Try avocado oil, turmeric, fresh ginger, garlic, and black pepper to drizzle over your steamed or fresh veggies. You can also make a healing marinade using turmeric, sea salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and fresh herbs like cilantro or rosemary. And you can marinate your pork tenderloin or your chicken breast in this. After you put a little olive oil in there too. You can also try to drink golden milk. So you want to combine the following ingredients: a half teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, along with a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom in 1 cup of hot almond milk, coconut milk, or organic grass-fed raw milk ideally. If you're using light milk that's lower in fat, be sure to add a little coconut oil to enhance the absorption of turmeric in the body. So what about supplementation? There are no shortage, as you know, of turmeric and curcumin supplements available in stores and online. However, many of these supplements may offer minimal benefits because of poor absorption. But here's the good news. Research shows that you can increase the body's absorption of curcumin by up to 46 times versus standard curcumin. So click the link below to discover this unique method and unlock turmeric's benefits for your skin, energy, mood, joints, brain, heart, and immune system. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today about turmeric, and don't forget to click that link so you can learn how to boost absorption of turmeric.